Are you over 60 and still struggling to get a good night's sleep? Despite taking sleeping pills, melatonin, or drinking herbal teas, you wake up every morning feeling tired and unrested, ready to go back to bed. If so, there is hope, and surprisingly, what you need might already be in your kitchen. Onions have been used as a natural sedative for centuries, but modern science is just beginning to uncover their full potential. In today's video, we'll dive into why onions can help you sleep better, how to use them properly, and everything you need to know before giving it a try. We will also reveal the best way to use onions for optimal results, even if you have tried other methods. So watch till the end to find out. First, let's look at how onions can benefit your sleep. Onions are packed with nutrients and compounds that support sleep. They contain plant-based compounds called flavonoids and saponins, which act as natural sedatives to calm your nervous system and relax your muscles. These compounds also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Additionally, onions are rich in the amino acid tryptophan, which is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, to hormones that regulate sleep. Melatonin, also known as the sleep hormone, helps control your body's internal clock and promotes healthy sleep patterns. Tryptophan also helps regulate serotonin levels, which affects mood, sleep, and digestion. By consuming onions, you can boost your body's production of these essential sleep-promoting compounds. Next, let's examine studies that demonstrate the effects of onions on sleep. Several studies have investigated the sleep benefits of onions. For example, a randomized placebo-controlled trial published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that a specific onion extract rich in cysteine sulfoxide significantly reduced sleep onset time, increased total sleep time, and improved sleep quality. Another study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry showed that onion consumption led to increased melatonin levels, supporting its role in promoting healthy sleep patterns. These studies provide evidence for the sleep benefits of onions and support the traditional use of onions, a natural remedy for insomnia. Now let's discuss the recommended amounts and preparation methods for using onions for better sleep. It's important to use onions in moderation and choose fresh, high-quality bulbs for the best results. For eating onions, add 30 to 50 grams of raw onions to a salad or 100 to 120 grams of cooked onions to your dinner. These quantities provide a good balance between flavor and sleep benefits. For placing onions under the pillow, slice half a fresh onion and place it in a bowl nearby. This method helps to infuse your sleep environment with the relaxing aroma of onions. For the jar method, crush a small amount of onion and place it in a sealed glass jar. The concentrated aroma near your nose before bed can promote calmness and relaxation. Finally, for onion juice, juice a medium onion and mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the juice with 100 megaliters of warm water. Drink this mixture 20 to 30 minutes before bedtime to enjoy its soothing properties. If you want to start incorporating onions into your routine to improve your sleep, here are 4 easy, safe, and effective ways to do so. We rank them based on how fast they work and the strength of scientific evidence. Number 4. Eating onions in the evening. Start by adding raw onions to your evening meals. Raw onions have a sharper bite, but their flavonoids and sulfur compounds promote better sleep. However, if you have a sensitive stomach, cook the onions to make them milder and easier to digest. Adding cooked onions to your dinner allows you to enjoy their flavor, while also potentially improving your sleep quality. No. 3. Placing onions under your pillow. For an alternative approach, place sliced onions near your pillow before bed. Simply leave the onions under your pillowcase or place them in a breathable bag nearby. While lying down, The aroma of the onions can help relax your senses and create a peaceful sleep environment. This passive method requires no effort once the onions are placed under your pillow. Just ensure you change the onions every few days for hygiene reasons. Number 2. A jar of crushed onions near your nose. As mentioned earlier, crush a small amount of onion and put it in a sealed glass jar. Before sleep, open the jar near your nose to release the phytosides and tryptophan-rich scent. This method provides a quick and easy way to calm your mind and prepare for sleep. The concentrated aroma can help soothe your nerves and potentially reduce anxiety. Adjust the distance of the jar from your face based on your sensitivity to the smell. Number 1. Drinking diluted onion juice before bed. For the most potent method, start drinking diluted onion juice before bed. This approach delivers a concentrated dose of sleep-promoting compounds like tryptophan, quercetin, and cysteine sulfoxide directly to your bloodstream. To make onion juice, use a juicer or blender to extract the juice from fresh onions. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the juice with 100 ml of warm water and drink it 20 to 30 minutes before going to bed. This drink can help reduce cortisol levels, promote melatonin production, and ultimately improve your sleep quality. Scientific studies have shown positive effects of this method, shortening sleep onset time and decreasing nighttime awakenings. However, avoid drinking undiluted onion juice before bed, as it may cause stomach irritation. And if you have a sensitive stomach, monitor your body's reaction when starting this method. It's crucial to be aware of certain cautions when using onions for sleep. First, if you're allergic to onions or on blood-thinning medication, avoid using onions for sleep. Additionally, individuals with irritable bowel syndrome or frequent heartburn should exercise caution and consult a healthcare professional before trying onion-based sleep aids. Moreover, consuming large quantities of onions may lead to digestive discomfort due to their sulfur content. Therefore, it's advisable to limit raw onion intake to 30 to 50 grams daily, preferably with meals. For cooked onions, one bulb 100 to 120 grams is generally well tolerated. Lastly, when using the sliced onion under the pillow or jar of crushed onions method, use small amounts of onions and replace them every 3 to 5 days to maintain hygiene. Keep a comfortable distance from your face to avoid eye or throat irritation. As we conclude our guide to using onions for better sleep, remember that results may vary among individuals and not everyone may experience immediate or significant changes. It's important to note that while onions can aid in improving sleep quality, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you continue to experience persistent sleep disturbances, consult a healthcare provider who can offer personalized guidance and treatment options. To begin incorporating onions into your routine for better sleep, select one of the 4 methods discussed, such as adding onions to your evening meals, placing sliced onions under your pillow, or drinking diluted onion juice before bed. Consistency is key. So, use your chosen method for at least a few days to observe any changes in your sleep patterns. For dietary methods, eating onions in the evening aligns with your body's natural relaxation phase, making it an ideal time to reap the benefits. If you prefer non-dietary approaches, consider placing onions under your pillow or near your bedside table. Before you go, share your experiences with using onions for sleep and your results in the comments below. If you've tried these methods, your insights may help others struggling with sleep issues. Remember, while onions are a natural and effective sleep aid, they may not work for everyone. Don't lose hope if you don't see immediate results, as it may take time to find the right combination of techniques that suit your needs. To learn about other natural sleep solutions, explore our website or subscribe to our channel for regular updates on sleep health and wellness tips. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might benefit from these insights. Sweet dreams!